I just bought myself the Galaxy S24 Ultra and I'm ultra excited to start using it. And look how nice it is. Now, what I was worried about is that there's 5 camera lenses in the back and I did not want to get them scratched up. So what I did was purchase this. Now, this is a ultra thin camera lens protector. So let me open it up and let's start doing it. It's made with tempered glass and also aluminum frame. Now what you're going to receive is this tool, which is used to lift it up after you're done using it, but also you can push it down as well, because here it is and we're going to hold it down for 30 seconds approximately. Now it comes with these directions as well. Should be pretty simple to install. Now, the first thing you're going to do is use that wet wipe. That's why it says number 1. The second thing we're going to do is use this number 2 cleaning cloth. And then number 3 is going to be the dust removal sticker. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is use this wet wipe. Now, it is already clean because I haven't used it yet, but for safe measure, let's clean it up. Step 2 is going to be now to dry it, as well as polish it. And step 3 is going to be to use these stickers to remove any dust that may have been left behind. Okay, looks pretty clean. And now, what we're going to do is take this and peel off the back to it. And that has the sticker. So we're going to gently peel it off and then place it on here. We're going to push it down for about 30 seconds. That way you know that you have a good fit. Now that it has been about 30 seconds, we are going to peel it off. And ta-da! It is all nice and secure. And what I'm going to do is just push it down for good measure. And wow, ta-da! It's done. How perfect was that, and super easy. Now, if in the future I do want to take it off, this is the tool, and you would just gently put it there and then pop it up just like that. Now, of course, I'm not going to do it now because I'm in love with it, and now I can start using it. This is scratch resistant and ultra thin. And it's also made of tempered glass with aluminum edging, and it's anti-glare as well. And it should be compatible with 99% of phone covers. So thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.